Alright guys, we got action playing FanDuel Casino. Playing my favorite, guys. Dynamite Dash. All aboard. Alright guys, so I'm on fire today. I put 500 in my account. I'm up to 4,600. And I want to make some videos. So let's see if we can get some trains or some fire sticks, guys. There we go. The old guy is wild, remember? Oh, you kidding me? It went right by on the last reel, too. 420, I'll take it. Let's go! Nope. Come on. Where the train's at? Where the train's at? There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. End my day on a good one, man. End the day on a good one. Oh, what was that? I hate that glitchy stuff. Oh, look at that, guys. 16 bucks, I'll take it. Nice. $9, I'll take it. Nope. Oh, man. The trains are out there. 11 bucks, I'll take it. $3, I'll take it. Come on. Where the train's at? Nice. 11 bucks, I'll take it. Nope. Come on. Come on, Dynamite Dash. Where the choo-choo's at? Where the choo-choo's at? 10 bucks, I'll take it. Man, this is crazy. Come on. Nope. Man, that's good. $37. Come on, baby. Where the train's at? Where the train's at? There we go. Come on, baby. 6 trains. Man, where are the fire sticks aren't doing anything either. Man. We got it! We got it! All aboard! Alright guys, so this is 2-cent denom. So that's everything times 2. That's $14. $10, $10, 14, 14, 14. Let's go. We got action. Let's go. All aboard. Come on, word. 25, that's 50, guys. Come on. 1. Oh, yep, we got it. That's going to be a 50. Nice. Word. All right, 14. Yes! One at a time, guys. We're coming one at a time, just how we want it. Let's go. Word. All right, $5, $10. Oh, we got it. One at a time. One at a time. All right, let's go. 1. Oh, yeah. 1 at a time. All aboard. Come on, buddy. All right, let's go. $10. Let's go. Oh, 1. Oh, yes. Wow, guys, this is a dream. 1 at a time. All right, let's go. That's 1. 2. Uh-oh, last spin, guys. Last spin. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh. Still, nice hit, guys. $822. All right, we're going to go down to, we got 49.63. We'll go down to 4,900. Let's go back to back. Back to back. Back to back. Back to back. Uh-oh. Look at this. Uh-oh, guys, this might put us over 5,000. $104. Now our new number is 5,000, guys. 4 more spins. Oh, my God. 3 more spins. 2 more spins. 1 more spin. All right, guys, what a day. What do we start with, by the way? 4,500, so we might make like $500. All right, guys. So I deposited $500. I'm gonna cash out 5,000. Only on FanDuel Casino, man. All right, guys, we got action. Dynamite Dash from the All Aboard series. $10 spins. Just cashing out for 5,000. I think we started with 4,300. All right, guys. Have a great weekend. I'm heading up to Turning Stone to play in the World Series of Poker tomorrow. So, wish me luck. Talk to you later.